Fixing the Mfc40.dll pop-up requires an expert look at your shared files. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist, and I'll automate that repair for you. While we explore the technical guide for Mfc40, you can access a professional tool for managing complex library dependencies. This DLL file is a legacy Microsoft Foundation class library version 4.0. It provides foundational C++ classes for software released in the mid-1990s, ensuring that older productivity tools and games still function on modern Windows. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. For a proper resolution, I recommend reinstalling the Microsoft Visual C++ 4.0 framework. You can find the x86 and x64 installers for the Visual C++ redistributables on Microsoft's official site. Be sure to install both to ensure full compatibility. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to re-scan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered the Mfc40 component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Replacing the Mfc40 without a proper diagnostic environment can lead to DLL hell, where multiple conflicting versions of the library paralyze your operating system's ability to load software. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. For users seeking workflow improvements, the utility below references maintenance concepts related to the Mfc40. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped your Mfc40 workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.